Hello everyone, this is Kanksha Gangapuram and you're watching Hybis News.
Suzuki Motor Corporation's wholly owned Suzuki Motor Gujarat Private Limited (SMG) will invest Rs 7,300 crores for the construction of a battery plant near SMG's automobile manufacturing unit by 2026. Under the MOU mentioned above, Suzuki Motors Corporation wholly owned Suzuki Motor Gujarat Private Limited (SMG) will invest Rs 7,300 crores for the construction of a battery plant near SMG's automobile manufacturing unit by 2026. SMG will invest another 3,100 crores for the ramping up production capacity for EVs by 2025. Suzuki Motors holds a majority stake in the Indian auto major Maruti Suzuki. Suzuki Motors Gujarat Private will invest Rs 31 billion by 2025 for increasing production capacity for battery EV manufacturing and 73 billion for construction of plant vehicle batteries, the company said. It is the first major EV plan announcing by Maruti Suzuki for India in a bid to align itself with a national strategy to reduce oil dependence and cut air pollution in major cities.
Thank you for watching Hybis News.